We're going to customize a MINI Countryman floor mat with Minecraft characters. Let's get tufting right away. We're using our own DuraTuft yarn. This yarn is 100% BCF yarn, and BCF is known for its durability, resilience, and stain resistance. It's actually used for actual car floor mats. Shall we start making it with this yarn? First, I'll draw the creeper that goes on the driver's side. Sketch the wolf that'll go on the passenger side on the other frame. Since the creeper is grassy, you can freely mix and use the Hofmann AK3 and cut gun. This is Andet's Tangle Timmer on Amazon. For the wolf, we'll start with the cut gun to fill in the detailed facial features. Start from the inner ears, then fill in the mouth and pupils. Before moving to the next part, carving is a must. Next, I'll trace the outline of the eyes. Once the outline's done, carve again. The wolf's red eyes will be made using a gradient technique. This is Andet's Yarn Glide on Amazon. Fill in the whites too. Use multiple colors to finish the ears, and that's it for the cut gun work on the face. For the wolf's face, we'll use the Hofmann to bring out that fur texture. Use darker yarns as you go inward from the outside. For the lower jaw that sticks out, we'll use the longer AK3 gun instead of the Hofmann. Same here, make it darker inside, lighter outside. For both the creeper and the wolf, we'll shoot the background using the cut gun. Use the shortest 1 centimeter high cut gun to create the black background. We'll clean it up nicely with clippers. Fill in the pixel background with the 1.8 centimeters high cut gun, and that's it for tufting. Every time you switch pixel colors, be sure to carve. Do some delicate carving to refine the faces, and we're done. Ta-da! The creeper and wolf floor mats are complete.
Andet.